Canyon. Gonna spend the night at Leadfield Ghost Town or Leadfield Mine. Coming up on the top of the pass here, you can see a couple of folks hanging out. You can see a little walking trails for people to go up there and get a little bit better picture. Just giving another view because, like I said, it's quite pretty up here. All right, and you can see what you're dropping down into. Can't quite see Leadfield from here, but we'll be on it soon enough. This is a pretty drive up here on Titus Canyon. All right, just gotten past Leadfield there. Kind of going through some dramatic canyons here. Had ourselves a little box lunch, wasn't too bad. Got to enjoy a carbonated beverage. Woo. Look at all that geology. And there's some brown rocks, some light brown rocks, some sage bushes. Tell you what, buddy. So you can see this trail is suitable for a little tow behind trailer. We're not the only jokers out here with something following. That's kind of interesting looking stuff over there, ain't it? Sorry for the little bit of sun flare. Give it a sec. Drop in the shade. Get you a little better view. Ooh, look at that there, bud. Not nice. Oh, we pass an old Calamity Jane here with her husband. Let's give him a holler. Have a good one. This is all what we call booty wheeling, you know, family wheeling. You just kind of come out here, it's real easy. Ain't got to know where the transfer case lever is, you'll be just fine. But, you know, it's not bad to look at, and it's not bad to take the old lady and kids out here, just sort of, you know, get dirty. Enjoy a ham and cheese sandwich. Maybe a carbonated beverage or two. Heck, you could probably even have yourself an adult beverage while you're out here.
So what we just got finished doing?
We just finished Titus Canyon.
Oh, that was Titus Canyon.
Yeah.
Where are we going to now?
The crater.
Oh, we're going to the crater. What's that, about 20 odd miles?
Yeah.
That's going to be a good time, ain't it?
Mhm.
All right.